Hello viewers, there is a lot of discussion about the September 2025 security update causing problem when installing. Some people are seeing error code, error message or update that freeze at a certain percentage. A few even said their update has been stuck 100% for days without moving forward or showing that the update failed. If this has happened to you, it means the update itself is having issue. Many users are facing it and there are several different error codes showing up which doesn't make it any easier. One possible fix is to download the update manually from the Microsoft Update catalog, then run the installer yourself and see if it works. Before doing this, I recommend restarting your computer from the start menu. Don't just shut it down and turn it back on. Restart is different because it clears out the last sessions and can fix small glitches. After restarting, visit the update catalog website and look for the Windows 11 update. For example, download the update for Windows 11 version 24H2 or 64-bit base system and then install it manually. This should fix the problem in most cases. If it still doesn't work, your next option is to use the media creation tool that's let you refresh or reinstall Windows and at the same time it installs the newest update. For now, try the manually update method first and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.